Hello friends, today I am going to talk about therapeutic of piles. There are many drugs in homeopathy for treatment of piles. But few drugs gives wonderful result in treatment of piles. First drug is Aesculus hypocastinum. It is one of our great hemorrhoidal remedies. Hemorrhoids, blind, painful, burning and purplish. Rarely bleeding piles. Rectum sore with fullness, burning and itching. Knife-like pains shoots up the rectum. Dryness and heat of the rectum. Stool is large, dry, hard and difficult to pass. Stool is followed by fullness of rectum and intense pain in anus for hours. Constipation with severe lumbosacral backache. Burning in anus with chills up and down back. Pain at umbilicus. Rectum feels full of rectal small stick. Second drug is collinsonia. Constipation of children from intestinal atony. Sensation of sharp sticks in rectum. Sense of constriction at anus. Vascular engorgement of rectum. Obstinate constipation with protruding hemorrhoids. Constipation during pregnancy. Itching of anus. Alternate diarrhea and constipation and great flatulence. Chronic painful bleeding piles with sensation as if sticks, sand or gravel had lodged in rectum. Heart complaints associated with piles. Pruritus in pregnancy with hemorrhoids unable to lie down. In collinsonia, you can give in potency form and mother tincture form. Third drug is Rutania. In Rutania, hemorrhoids protrude during stool and is followed by long-lasting aching and burning in anus. There is pain after stool as if splinters of glass were sticking in anus and rectum. Burning for hours after each stool is characteristic and relieved only by application of hot water. Fissures of anus with great sensitiveness of rectum. In Rutania, you can give potency form. Fourth drug is muriatic acid. In muriatic acid, piles protrude while the person urinates. Involuntary stool while passing urine. Hemorrhoids is very sensitive and painful to touch and it is swollen and blue. It may suddenly appears in children. It is too sore to bear the least touch. Even the touch of bedsheet is uncomfortable. Cannot urinate without having the bowel move at the same time. In muriatic acid, you can give potency form. Fifth drug is paeonia. Hemorrhoids, fissure, ulceration of anus and perineum, purple covered with crust. Sudden pasty diarrhea with faintness in abdomen. Biting, itching at anus. Orifice swollen. Burning in anus after stool. Internal chilliness. Painful ulcer oozing offensive moisture on perineum. Sixth drug is nitric acid. Bleeding piles protruding with every stool. Blood may be bright red or profuse. Pain with splinter-like sensation, easily disposed to diarrhea rather than constipation. Rectum feels torn. Bowels constipated with fissures in rectum. Great straining but little passes. Thank you. Do like and subscribe my channel World of Homeopathy.